All right, now that we switched over to aluminum, and you've seen how easy and user-friendly that was on the interface, we're going to go ahead and do a closed corner fusion weld. No wire. Just beautiful. Almost flawless. Full penetration. One thing I want to add, you do see me not using any of my welding technique that I have always, for the last almost 20 years. I'm not bracing. You definitely, it's a whole new technique versus TIG or MIG. But when I first grabbed this, you wanna brace like I'm gonna MIG, and that's not the case. Even fusion welding, when you don't have wire pushing this torch, it slides so nice that literally all you do is just relax your body and give it a little bit of pull when you're fusion welding, and when you are wire welding, you don't have to pull at all. You just stay relaxed, and the welder does everything for you. And next part up will be a little bit thicker aluminum, and we're going to wire feed that. All right, now that we threw our wire on, we're going to do an open corner on some 5000 series aluminum. 5000 series is about as hard as you want to get with aluminum if you're going to wire it. You can fusion 6000 series as long as it's under probably 1/8 of an inch or so. Another thing with the weld wire, we're not going to run anything for aluminum wire under 0.45, just because there is no push-pull, and it'll just, bird's nest up in that wire feeder. But we'll go ahead and do an open corner on some 5000 series aluminum with wire. And there you have it. Full penetration. Looks pretty good.